Welcome back. Well, for now, Mitessh Thakkar is joining in to tell us very quickly what one should be doing with individual stocks, and the market is down almost about 90 odd points. Mitessh, I just wanted a chart check on a couple of these names. The banks, and I was discussing this with you during Bazaar as well, banks have had a big run today, whether it's Bank of India, IDBI, Union Bank. Would you take profits if you have them in the banking stocks now? Would you let them run through the day? And any fresh positions in individual banks?
I think, taking profits is always tricky because the stocks keep being new high, but they are overbought definitely. They've had a run up and they are very far away from their moving averages. I think a good strategy would be to trail the stop losses, wait on a very tight basis. For example, on a PNB, I would recommend a trailing stop loss at about 54.4, which is about a rupee and a half lower from current levels. Similarly, if you were to look at the chart of Canara Bank, I think the current stop loss would come just below 318 to 317 half, 317.75 is something, which I would recommend. While the overall structure is very good, from a trading point of view, I think they are very overheated and a pullback is very likely. So in the medium term, the trend is very strong. It would be a buy on declines, but not at these levels. If somebody has a position, as I said, just trail your stop losses to very tight levels. BOB, for example, would be 173 or 172 half as the trading stop loss level. So I think time to be slightly cautious, not to rush into the excitement, but on a decline, I think these stocks are definitely a buy.
Buy on declines. What about the Nifty, Mitessh, and your individual picks?
So on the index, my view is that we might go into contraction and basically consolidate 18,450, 500 is the support range. So around that level, we attempt a long. And on the upside, 18,850 is the area which had the hourly high. So that's the range which you're looking at, about 350, 400 point kind of a thing. On the stock side, Shriram Transport is a buy with a stop at 1297 for targets of 1375. And I have a sell on a stock which is Aarti Industries, where I recommend selling with a stop at about levels of 677 for targets of 645.
Thank you very much for that. Get into a break. On the other side, we'll discuss the market technicals. We'll discuss the market